What are you doing? Hey guys, this is what you do with the constipated baby. This baby here, he ate a whole banana because he can reach over the counter now and grab the banana. So we shouldn't even be calling you a baby anymore because I think you're more like a toddler now. But he normally gets constipated even from the smallest bit of banana. I didn't see that he grabbed the banana, ate it. I think he shared like some of it with his puppy because both of them were having a feast over here. But anyways, he's constipated, and this is what you do with a constipated little guy. Because they can't speak and tell you what's going on, but I saw I saw this morning that he's trying to push something out. And usually you can tell because they just like, fart a lot of stinky farts, but nothing's coming out. And sometimes they're just like, pushing, trying to push something out. You can hear them, you can actually hear them trying to push something out, but it's not working. So first thing I want to do is go rub their belly around the belly button, and you're going to rub it clockwise direction. Clockwise, not counterclockwise. I'm not sure if this camera is reversed and it looks like it's counterclockwise, but just listen to my words. Go in a clockwise direction, not counterclockwise. This usually gets him to poo within like an hour or two, like things will start moving. And this is not the only thing you do. You do this. See, it's relaxing for him. They really like it. So like massage, belly massage, yeah? And then you do it in combination with these, okay? Push their knees right up against, yeah, you like that. They like that too. Babies usually like that. And then you switch and do like bicycles. This one, straighten it out and push the other one against his belly. Like that. I think I have to change your pee-pee diaper because you need room in there for when you're going to poop. So he will poop today for sure after these. And then go back and do this one. Oh yeah, he wants to go back. He's pushing me. He's using his legs. He likes the bicycle ones. So he's pushing. He's like, wait a minute. Why are you doing that one? I want to go back and do. See, look. I want to do this one. I want to do this. Yeah, okay. Here you go. Okay, bend this one. I already did this one. Bend this one. Yes. Yes. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. And he's enjoying his little lollipop that I gave him, just to kind of relax him. There you go. No, back to this? Okay, back to this. See? It's something they actually enjoy. It's fun for them, but it actually helps them to go poop eventually. So, if you have a constipated little baby guy, try this. Before you pump them with like medications or pharmaceutical stuff, like that stuff. You don't want to give them any pharmaceuticals unnecessarily. Try, natural remedies first always, just because pharmaceuticals we know have side effects, usually. Okay, let's do this. Huh? And then bicycles. 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 And this usually works. If he's seriously constipated, I give him a cup of warm water. Warm water. Make sure they're drinking a lot of fluids, but give them a cup of warm water with lemon juice. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice in there. Make sure it's fresh, not that bottled stuff. And that will do it. If they're really constipated, do a combination of these exercises, warm lemon water, and a bath. Relaxing their muscles around their core helps a lot to help them go. So if your baby's super constipated, try those things. But for my baby, usually one of these things work, but we'll see how much banana he got inside of himself. We'll see. If you don't go within the next hour or two, mommy's gonna give you a bath and some lemon water. I might just give you lemon water right now just because it's good for you. Just because it's good for you. Alkalizes the body, which helps to fight any kind of illnesses and disease that's trying to build up in the body. So always good to alkalize their bodies anyways. But this one's breastfed, so. Yeah, is that fun? It's fun, isn't it? Yeah. Okay, so try that. And if it works for you, leave a comment. Let me know if it worked. It will work. So, but leave a comment. Let me know how soon it worked for you, I guess. That's the question I really want to ask with you. Bicycles. 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 Yeah.